Question number 1. This sign warns of a slippery road ahead. Which one is it? Which sign means yield sign? When you are near to school zone and you see this sign, which option is correct? Which sign represent that drive not to turn left? Which one sign represent a winding roadway ahead? Which sign indicates a railroad crossing? Which sign warns driver of a stop sign ahead? Which sign represent a speed limit ahead? Which sign indicates a divided highway begins? Which one sign warns two-way traffic ahead? Which sign shows pedestrian crossing? Which sign indicates roundabout ahead? Which sign indicates a T intersection? Which sign represent a added lane ahead? Which symbol warns a deer crossing? Which sign gives warning that a traffic signal is coming up ahead? Which sign warns for falling rocks? Which sign is a warning sign for bicycles crossing ahead? Which sign represent to keep to the right of a driver? Which sign indicates do not enter? Which one sign warns driver of a steep downhill grade ahead? Which of these sign indicates a road's end on the right? Which sign alert drivers about a low clearance ahead? Which sign alert driver that traffic may merge into their lane ahead? Which sign represent that the road will make a sharp turn to the left? Which sign alert driver that a narrow bride ahead? Which sign represent a men at work ahead on the roadway? Which sign represent that the paved road is ending ahead? Which of these sign represent no U-turn? Which sign demand driver to come to a complete stop? Which sign represent that truck are not allowed on the road?